1963 Ford Galaxie. Hardtop, nice looking two-door. Now, the one thing I want to let you know right off the bat here at the beginning, that 390 badge that you see right there. Decode this car, the VIN number comes as a 352. Look at the side of the block, the casting is 352. So I'm going to go with 352 V8 underneath the hood. Power steering. And that 352 is paired up with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Now, you want to check out the still pictures. So you can see that engine bay, you can check out the undersides. Look at the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. See the front grille, front bumper. Check out the chrome, headlight surrounds. Paint on this does show well. Has had a repaint and restoration work obviously done to it. One of those take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, have some fun. Riding on the American Racing 5-spoke. Kind of flat gray with polished wheels. See the bright work up and down the side of this 63. Now, Corinthian white M paint code is the way this would have been produced when it was new. And as far as the interior, 92 trim code, so it would have been blue vinyl interior. So still looking much the way it would have back when it was produced, actually at the Dallas plant in Texas. Then the DSO is also Dallas, Texas. So this is originally a Texas car. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a look at the rear bumper. Take a look at the chrome. You can see dual exhaust. Now, is the paint perfect on this? No, you may find some little imperfections in the clear or what have you. But overall, it shows well. Don't be afraid to take this thing in local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Like I said earlier, take your time looking through the still pictures. Take a look at the underside, interior, engine bay. uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Remember that just because you see the 390 badging on there. Somebody sure could have added that, make it look like it's got a little larger engine. 352 casting on the block that's underneath the hood. We're going to pop the hood here in just a bit, so you can take a peek at that. Very stock looking under there also. Door panels. And you can see the seats are pretty much free of rips, tears, holes, a little bit of wear here in the stitching. And over on the other side, I notice you can see that right there, a little bit in the stitching. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. Take your time looking through them. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, here's what the odometer reads. 9,072 miles. Really can't confirm or deny any sort of original miles in a car once it becomes so old, due to the fact the titles are marked exempt. I have not gotten the radio to power up, FYI. I have had the wipers work. Nice sounding V8, a little rumble to it. You can also see a picture of the door tag or trim tag, I guess if you will, as well as the VIN in the still pictures. There's your headliner, get an idea. Door closes and fits nicely. Slip around to the back. You get an idea how it sounds. Deep exhaust note. Alright, slip up to the front. Just pop this hood a second. Now, of course, this emblem right here in the center doubles as a hood release. Might be able to get this one-handed here. There we go. Take a look at the hood liner. Ollie 4-barrel, FYI. And power steering. See there. So pretty stock looking engine, right? Even has the battery cover, making it look like the old style. Battery heater hose is still hooked up. No exhaust leaks. Nice smooth running engine. Looks good under there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we are in a 63 Ford Galaxie, taking her out for a little drive. Test out the heater here a little bit. Blower motor does work. The wipers do work. Fuel gauge is reading. The temperature is right about in the middle of the gauge. It has had a few minutes warming up here. Got it up to 60 miles an hour. Feels good. Blinker indicators both work. Brakes work good. Brakes straight. Nice running car.
There you go. 1963 Ford Galaxie. Two-door hardtop fastback it would have been considered. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.